Mr. Derry here. We're going to go a new document in Onshape, and I'm going to show you how to go from a part to a DXF file that can be used with the laser cutter or the plasma cutter. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to create a new document, and this document is just going to be called plate with your last name. Whoops. Alrighty. So make sure you put your last name, and if you're a twin, put your initial on there as well. We're going to start with a sketch right on the front plane. So I'm going to make a sketch there. This is going to be a very simple part. I'm going to look normal to the front plane. I like to incorporate the origin, right? So we're going to just click and drag there. And this part is going to be 4 inches by 2 inches. Okay, so we're going to put, I'm sorry, got distracted there. This is going to be 2. Very good. And we can put some holes in. We could either use the hole command, or I'm just going to draw them in here now. So, and we're going to make these holes all equal. So, whoops. There we go. And so if I make a box around these right now, let's see if it'll let me make those all equal over here. Yep. All right. And then I can give them a dimension, and they're going to be 1/4 of an inch. So if I dimension 1, they should all follow along. All right. And then I'm going to give some other relationships. I want this and this to be vertical. And I want this and this to be vertical. And I want this and this to be horizontal. And this to be horizontal. And now I just got to throw some dimensions in, and they all should line up. So let's go ahead and put some more dimensions in. And if I put a dimension from here to here, let's make that 0.375, and let's make this one 0.375 as well. All right, and then we're going to do the same thing here and here. And all right, so you'll see that they're all fully defined now because of the relationships that we added to them. So we're good to go there. I'm going to hit OK. Let's go ahead and extrude that. So we're going to select that sketch, and we're going to make it 1/8 of an inch. Yes. All right, so we've got our extruded part. Hit OK. Take a look at it. Looks good. I'm going to look normal to it again, and I am going to now export this as a DXF. So I'm out of my extrude command. I just selected my part. I'm looking at it normal to. I'm going to right click and go export DXF. All right. And again, I'm going to give it the same thing. Oops. Plate, and we're going to hit download, and download and store file in, I think I'm just going to hit download. Export. So it's downloaded it, and we're going to need to move it into our folder. I'll show you how to do that. So we now right click and go to File Explorer. We should go to our downloads, and I'm going to, there it is. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go to File Explorer again, and I'm going to go to my folder under the tech drive, student folders, find my name, go into EV. Do I even have a folder? I don't have an EV folder. All right, I'll make a new one. New folder. Okay, and we'll put it in there. Right click and paste. Okay, so now we have it in here. I'm going to pause this video and show you how to bring it in another video.